guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Iyana and you want to go ahead, press subscribe. It's the holidays, we going into a new year, a new decade. You need to press subscribe so I can see you down there in the comments section every time when I upload a video. So press subscribe. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a holiday inspired look. You can wear this look for Christmas, New Year's, whatever holiday you celebrate, you can wear it, okay? So it's wearable. So I already have my eyebrows done and mascara on, so we just gonna jump right into the eyeshadow. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so you can be up close and personal. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop palette right here first, and I'm going to be using this color down here just to be like put in my crease for like a transitional shade. So I'm gonna just use this fluffy brush right here. This is my favorite brush, y'all. I don't know why, but it's just my favorite brush. Sometimes I feel like I have small eyelids, y'all. If you have small eyelids, comment down below, because sometimes I feel like I don't got enough space. Something like this, and then I'm going to go in with the color. This is from the JACLYN Heel palette, so the color in here, I believe the color is called Diva, because she a diva. Okay, so this is really pretty green. I don't know how to describe this green. It's like a really deep green, dark green. So I'm gonna put that on my actual eyelid. I'm not sure if it's gonna be too dark, but we gonna see. So we gonna try it. So I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow brush and just dip it in here, gather it, and I'm gonna put that right on my lid, straight down on them. I'm just trying to shape my eye, like the shape of my eye, so this eyeshadow doesn't go everywhere. But I'm going to leave a little space in the front of my eyelid because I'm going to put a silver right there, so I don't want the color to go all the way right there, but just leave like a little space right there. And I'm gonna go back in with my little fluffy brush I use just to blend the edges of the color Diva. I'm mostly worried about like this top of the green blending, because I'm going to put a dark color on the outer corner of my eye because I really like how that looks. Like, if you know me, like I want to put darker colors on the outer corner because it gives the illusion that your eyelashes are longer than what they are. And with my baby lashes, they need to be illusionized. So I'm gonna go back in with the color Diva just to intensify it. So now I'm gonna go in with a darker brown to put on the outer corner of my eye and to also go over the color Diva. So I'm putting it right on Diva and then into my crease, but not too much because I'm actually going to blend it. So you should have something like this. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So boom, like this. I'm gonna have to probably keep putting more color onto Diva so it won't fade out. So I'm just dabbing some with my finger onto my eyelid to keep the intensity, because she's a diva, so you gotta keep it. And then for the remaining inner corner, or the rest of my eyelid towards it going to the inner corner, I'm going to go in to this wet palette by Colourpop. This is the Britman collab, and I'm going to be using the color Thickums because she thick. Really like this silver, y'all. This is like more of a silver bluish color to me, and it's bomb. Like, it's bomb.com, and you just don't got no words to say because it's just so beautiful. Right here in this area, and I'm gonna blend it and stuff, but I'm placing it like right there at the edge of where Diva was, and then I'm gonna go and blend it into Diva. Sorry if I'm blocking the camera, but I'm blending it like right into Diva, y'all. Like this green and this, I'm about to get hype. I'm about to get hype. This silver and this emerald green will have your life screaming. I'm like screaming right now on the inside. Diva and Thickums together. That is nice. I like that little combination, actually. So we got Diva and Thickums on the lid. I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow underneath my bottom eyelid, underneath the bottom of my eye. I might go in with the actual crease color I use to put underneath my eye because I don't want my eyes to be like too dark. So I'm gonna go back in with this crease color that I used, and I'm gonna put that underneath my eye. So I just put that crease color underneath my eye, and then I'm gonna go back with Thickums and just put it in the inner corner of my eye. So this is what I have for my eyes so far. So I'm gonna go ahead, put some more mascara on just to get the eyeshadow off of my eyelashes. And then I'm gonna actually go in with some lashes. This is the Ardell Wispy lashes. So I'm gonna put these lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got my lashes on. I think I did a pretty okay job, actually. I'm getting better and better every single time. I'm gonna go ahead and put some highlighter on, and we're gonna do my lips, and I think that'll be it. So this highlighter is by Glossier. I'm just putting it on the heights of my cheekbones and then on the tip of my nose. And then I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it out real quick. Just that natural glow. So, boom. And then I'm gonna go in with the, I ran out of the color Chi liquid lipstick, and I cannot find it anymore on Colourpop. I don't know if they changed the name. If they changed the name, let me know. But I have the lip pencil, and this is in the color Chi, so I'm just gonna use that all over my lips since I don't have any more of the liquid lipstick. So boom, and I think that's about it, y'all. I think this is just the final like holiday look. I think this is it, okay? But yeah, y'all, this is the final look, the whole look completed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like this look actually. I like when this like tealish emerald green color mixed with brown. It just makes me feel like good. And then like the silver on top of that, boy, she fire, and she about to go to a New Year's Eve party. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do this look for whatever holiday, New Year's, Christmas, whatever holiday you celebrate, tag me on Instagram, okay? I would love to see that eye look snatched on you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Sharing is caring, and we need you and your family and your friend to see this video. So share the video. Don't forget, you're beautiful, you're strong, you the best music, and I will see you guys in my next one.